Welcome, guys. I want to quickly use this medium to show you how to use the multimeter. Now, we have two different kind of multimeter. We have the analog and the digital. This I'm using is digital, so and you see some partitions that shows different kind of measurement. So basically, when you see this is to you use this to measure a direct current. That's for phones, laptop, some other electronics that uses battery, and yeah. So this you see the sign for an alternating current, so use it to measure the voltage of an alternating current. That is a current coming directly from a high voltage, so to say, a high voltage. Now this measures high voltage, and this measures a reduced or a step down voltage. That's like a beginner's explanation for a beginner. So having said that, this is to measure the current, like current between 200 meters, 20 meters, and 2000. And this is to measure your ohms, measurement in ohms, 200 ohms. If your measurement is between 0 to 200 ohms, 0 to 2000, 0 to 20,000 ohms, 0 to 200,000 ohms, 0 to 2,002, that's 2,000 kilo ohms. So so that is okay. Now this is for measurement, continuity measurement. When you see this sign, is used to measure the continuity in any device. So okay, so for phone repairers or laptop repairers, most measurements that you frequently be engaged in is voltage. Maybe you want to check whether the battery is supplying or the charger is supplying the correct voltage. Then another one is continuity measurement. Those are the two most important measurement that is always and often being carried out if you are a phone repairer or a laptop, if you are getting involved in phone repairing and laptop repairing. So basically you need to know how to use these two. This one now is to check the level of your battery. For phone, you should have at least 3.7 volts to be able to power a phone. Your battery should have at least 3.7 volts to be able to power a phone. So if you are not getting up to 3.7 on a battery which you want to use to power a phone, then that means you need to charge the battery or you replace the battery. If charging the battery wouldn't add up, that's if the battery voltage won't increase even after leaving it to charge for a period of time. Now, but for continuity is to know if there's a connection between 2 points. Let's say point A and point B. You want to know if there's a connection between point A and point B. Okay, so let me use this to give an example. Okay, so let's say this is point. Let me use this. So this is point A and this is point B. So you want to know if current is flowing from here to here. So then you put your meter in continuity mode. Then to test if your meter is working correctly, you just connect the 2 points together. You should hear that beeping sound. you should hear that beeping sound. So when you connect it together and it's beeping, that means there's a connection between the 2 points you are testing. So let me join it here and then join it here. Do you get? So if probably this is a wire connection and then you connect from this point to this point, sorry, I'm using one hand, so you bear with me. Okay, that means it's connecting. So let me use a better example. Okay, so this is a phone. So let's say I want to know if there's a connection between, sorry about that. So let's say I want to know if there's a connection between, here and this point. You can hear the beeping sound. You can hear me? You can hear the beeping sound. So if I want to know if there's a connection between here and here, that's what the continuity is for. Continuity measurement shows you if there's a connection between point A and point B, and then the resistance. That's where you see the reading here. So let's see from here to here. You see, that means there's no resistance. That means there's a direct connection between this and this, and that means, in fact, in most cases, every metallic point you see on a motherboard or a phone panel, it will always be connected to ground. Do you get? So that's why